Hello, my friends. Good morning. Hope you are doing good and having a very great weekend. So, as slowly we are progressing in our data science channel, and we are trying to learn lots of informations, lots of tools, and we are moving across multiple sessions in SQL. So currently we will discuss today one of the wonderful concept of CTE. So what is CTE? So this is a common table expression. So today what we are going to understand how we use CTE. So let me give you a walkthrough of when and what is CTE. So if you see here, a CTE is a common table expression and is a temporary name result set created using with class. So if you see here, so what it does, it creates a temporary set of data. And once your SQL is executed, it is removed. So it doesn't create any load on the server as well. So you see, it improves the readability and maintainability of complex SQL queries by breaking them into logical steps. And while it doesn't replace join, it is particularly useful for organizing queries that involves multiple table joins. So if you see, my friends, if you have 3 to 4 tables and if you want an aggregate value or maybe aggregate sales value or purchase value, so this is a very, very useful function. So when we use this, so you can use it joining multiple tables, reuse an intermediate result in the query, breaking a complex query into steps, using Windows function, and performing regressive operations. So if I walk through my query, and again, this explains the same thing. It exists only during the execution of a single SQL statement. So as I explained you, so this is gone once you have executed. So there is no load in your SQL server and it consumes no memory. So there is no view. We are not creating any view here. This is just a temporary file created, and that we can use in our query. So that reduces the load on the server as well. So see what we do here. So if you see here, my friends, this is the expression or the syntax for the CTE. It always execute with the with clause. This is the CTE name as you can have to select column one, column two for the table, where condition, and this ends, and then normally you perform the select statement. So this is the syntax for the CTE. Now let me explain you what we are doing here. So you can see here, my friends, we are creating the sales record for the 3 years. We have sales for 15, 16, and 17. We are doing a union. This is how, we can amend the different sales records for years and years and create everything into one. So when we execute this, this all sales record is appended into one file. And so once we append this, we have one sales table that is all sales record. So with all sales record. So what we does here now, we will call here later into our subquery here, into a query here. So what we are doing here, we are selecting few columns here. We just want the category name. We want the total revenue and we are picking from the tables, that is we are picking from, you see, from product subcategories. We are joining product subcategories. We are joining products. We are joining all sales record. Now you see here, my friends, we are joining these 3 tables and we are grouping by category name and we are ordered by total revenue descending. So once I execute this query, so if you see here, my friends, we get the result. Now you see here, we get the data based on category name and total revenue. So we can see how, the aggregate sales has happened across multiple years. So this is how it's so easy to, execute using the CTE statement. So my friends, I hope you understand this and please practice this. And slowly and steadily, we will have some more sessions on this one and try to get more understanding on this. So if you have some comments, please share your feedback with me and I will go through it and maybe try to resolve those issues. So subscribe my channel and ask your friends also to subscribe our channel and take care, my friends. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.